Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down the ins and outs of the real estate market. So, you're thinking about diving into the real estate market but stuck on whether to buy or rent? It's a big decision, and it's one that can have a significant impact on your financial future and lifestyle. Let's break it down with some pros and cons to help you make the best decision. We'll look at the financial aspects, lifestyle implications, and long-term benefits of both options. First up, buying a home. This is often seen as a major milestone and a symbol of financial success. When you buy, you're building equity. Equity is essentially the portion of the property that you truly own, and it grows as you pay down your mortgage. Think of equity as a savings account you can tap into later. Over time, as you make mortgage payments, your equity increases, and this can be a significant financial asset. Plus, your home can appreciate in value over time, potentially giving you a nice profit if you decide to sell. Real estate has historically been a good investment, and many people have built substantial wealth through homeownership. Another perk is stability. You're not at the mercy of a landlord who could decide to sell or raise the rent. You have the freedom to make your home truly yours, from painting the walls to renovating the kitchen. But let's not get too carried away. Buying a home is a serious commitment and comes with its own set of challenges. Buying has its cons too. The upfront costs can be hefty, with down payments, closing costs, and those never-ending repairs and maintenance. These costs can add up quickly and can be a barrier for many potential buyers. The upfront costs can be hefty, with down payments, closing costs, and those never-ending repairs and maintenance. Homeownership means you're responsible for all the upkeep, from fixing a leaky roof to replacing the water heater. And don't forget about property taxes and homeowners insurance. These are ongoing expenses that you'll need to budget for every year. Plus, the market can be unpredictable. If the value of your home drops, you could end up owing more than it's worth. This is known as being underwater on your mortgage, and it can be a stressful situation. Now, let's talk renting. Renting offers flexibility. If your job requires you to move frequently, or you just like a change of scenery, renting can be a great option. You're not tied down to one place and can move with relative ease. If your job requires you to move frequently, or you just like a change of scenery, renting can be a great option. You're not tied down to one place and can move with relative ease. This flexibility can be a major advantage, especially for young professionals or those who are still figuring out where they want to settle down. You also avoid those pesky maintenance costs. If the AC breaks down, it's your landlord's problem, not yours. This can save you a lot of money and hassle over time. However, renting isn't all sunshine and roses. There are some significant downsides to consider. You're not building any equity. Every rent check you write is money you'll never see again. Unlike homeownership, renting doesn't provide you with a financial asset that can grow in value over time. Every rent check you write is money you'll never see again. This can feel like you're throwing money away, especially if you're renting for many years. And you're subject to rent increases. Your landlord can raise the rent, sometimes significantly, and you have little control over these increases. Plus, there's a lack of stability. Your landlord might decide to sell the property or not renew your lease. This can create uncertainty and make it difficult to plan for the future. Your landlord might decide to sell the property or not renew your lease. This can create uncertainty and make it difficult to plan for the future. You're also subject to the terms of your lease, which can limit your ability to make the space truly your own. Let's use a couple of examples to paint the picture a little clearer. These scenarios will help you see the practical implications of buying versus renting. Imagine you're eyeing a cozy bungalow in a trendy neighborhood. This could be your dream home, and buying it could be a great investment. If you buy, you could potentially see the value of your home skyrocket as the area becomes even more popular. This appreciation in value can significantly boost your net worth. You'd be building equity, and you'd have a place to truly call your own. You can decorate, renovate, and make the space exactly how you want it. But you'll need to be ready for those property taxes and maybe even some unexpected repairs. These costs can add up and should be factored into your decision. On the flip side, say you're renting a sleek apartment downtown. This could be a great option if you love the hustle and bustle of city life. You're close to work, nightlife, and all the amenities you love. This convenience can be a major advantage, especially if you have a busy lifestyle. You don't have to worry about fixing a leaky faucet or mowing the lawn. Your landlord takes care of all the maintenance, saving you time and money. But that rent might go up every year, and you're not building any financial foundation for your future. This lack of financial growth can be a significant downside. Well, it really boils down to your personal circumstances and financial goals. What are your priorities? What can you afford? These are important questions to ask yourself. If you crave stability and are ready for the long-term commitment, buying might be the way to go. Homeownership can provide a sense of security and a place to call your own. But if you value flexibility and lower upfront costs, renting could be your best bet. Renting allows you to move more easily and avoid the high upfront costs of buying a home. Remember, both options have their merits and drawbacks. It's important to weigh these carefully and consider what's most important to you. It's all about what fits best with your lifestyle and financial situation. Take your time, do your research, and make an informed decision. Weigh the pros and cons carefully and don't rush your decision. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video has helped you understand the key differences between buying and renting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate tips and insights. See you next time. And remember, whether you decide to buy or rent, the most important thing is to make a choice that aligns with your personal and financial goals.